Did you know that one man with a stick once defeated 80,000 soldiers without firing a single arrow? In 168 BC, King Antiochus IV marched into Egypt with a massive army. He brought war elephants and felt unstoppable. Rome was busy fighting other wars, so he thought nobody could stop him. But then Roman ambassador Gaius Popilius Leonis showed up outside Alexandria. He had no army, just a few diplomats. He handed the king a letter from Rome saying, "Get out of Egypt immediately." Antiochus laughed and said he needed time to think about it. That's when Leonis did something incredible. He took his walking stick and drew a circle in the sand around the king's feet. "Give me your answer before you step out of this circle," he said. The king stood there trapped. He realized that saying no meant war with Rome. After several long minutes, he chose to retreat. His entire army marched home without a single battle. One circle in the sand had defeated 80,000 men.